Hello, so today I will be going over Chapter 4 Learning Objective 2, which is to identify and describe the structural components of the brain that are most directly involved in control of movement and describe their primary functions. So, to begin, the structural components that are most directly involved in control of movement are the cerebrum, diencephalon, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. So the cerebrum contains the right and left cerebral hemispheres that are connected by the corpus callosum and are covered by the cerebral cortex. So the cortex consists of 4 lobes, and they are the frontal, which helps with voluntary movements, the parietal, which is a key brain center for the control of perception and the integration of sensory information. There's also the occipital lobe, and this one, it primarily helps with visual perception. And then we have the temporal lobe, which helps with memory and judgment. So moving on, we have the diencephalon, which falls between the cerebrum and the brainstem, and it contains the thalamus and the hypothalamus. So the thalamus helps control attention, mood, and the perception of pain, while the hypothalamus helps control the endocrine system. So moving on, we have the cerebellum, and it plays an important role in the execution of smooth and accurate movements. And the cerebellum acts as a type of movement, error detection and correction system. And then lastly, we have the brainstem, and it consists of the pons, the medulla oblongata, and the reticular formation, all of which are involved in motor control. So this is because they are involved in the control of body functions such as chewing, swallowing, and breathing. And then we have the medulla oblongata, which acts as an agent for various internal physiological processes, and the reticular formation, which acts as an integrator of sensory and motor neuron impulses.